In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multilingual reports in Power BI. We'll walk through preparing your data, wiring up the model, writing a couple of small DAX measures, and building a simple report that switches languages on the fly. Start in Power BI Desktop and open a report that already includes a few key tables. A dictionary table that stores your translations, a languages table with the language names and their codes, a products table, a product translations table, and a sales table. The dictionary is where generic labels like titles or captions live, while product translations stores translated names tied to each product. First, let's transform the dictionary so Power BI can read translations properly. On the Home ribbon, select Transform Data to open Power Query, choose the dictionary query and click the ID column header. Right-click that header and select Unpivot Other Columns. This turns each language column into rows, which is exactly what Power BI needs for filtering by language. Rename the generated columns so they're clear, change attribute to language code and value to translated text. Then click Close and Apply to bring the changes back to the model. Next, connect the dots in Model View. Link languages code to dictionary language code and also link languages code to product translations language. Connect products product ID to sales product ID and products product ID to product translations product ID. Now open the relationship between products and product translations and switch the cross-filter direction to both. This bi-directional setting allows the translated product names to filter your sales results correctly across visuals. With the model set, head to Report View to add the logic. In the dictionary table, create a new measure called Selected Label. It should grab the currently selected language code from the Languages table, defaulting to English if nothing is selected, pick up the current dictionary ID in context, and return the matching translated text. Then create a second measure, Title Main Text, which simply returns selected label for the ID that represents your main title. This keeps your titles and other labels dynamic based on the chosen language. Now build the report, add a slicer to the canvas and place language in it, then turn on single select so only one language is active at a time. Add a card visual and drop in your title main text measure. Try selecting Spanish in the slicer. The card should immediately show Tablero de Ventas. For a multilingual chart, add a bar chart with translated name from product translations on the y-axis and amount from sales on the x-axis. Switch between English and French to see the labels change from red bicycle to Vélo Rouge, while the sales figures remain accurate. That's it. Thanks for watching.